Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Wealth and Prosperity Affirmations. I am grateful that you are here. Enjoy these affirmations to attract wealth, prosperity, and abundance. I am open to receive amazing blessings. I am open to receive amazing blessings. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. Money flows to me with ease. Money flows to me with ease. I am worthy of financial independence. I am worthy of financial independence. My actions create prosperity. My actions create prosperity. Money allows me to support myself and my loved ones. I am financially independent. I am financially independent. I am confident in myself. I am confident in myself. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I believe in my ability to attract more money. I believe in my ability to attract more money. I naturally attract success in my life. I naturally attract success in my life. My mindset attracts favorable opportunities. My mindset attracts favorable opportunities. I attract abundance and prosperity. I attract abundance and prosperity. I am worthy of being successful. I am worthy of being successful. I am open to receiving money. I am open to receiving money. Abundance is all around me. Abundance is all around me. I am a money magnet. I am a money magnet. Wealth and prosperity are my birthright. Wealth and prosperity are my birthright. I am grateful for the money I have. I am grateful for the money I have. Money flows freely to me. Money flows freely to me. If I believe it, I can achieve it. If I believe it, I can achieve it. love myself and all that is me. I love myself and all that is me. Attract the life you desire and the abundance you deserve. Listen to these affirmations daily to receive the blessings of wealth and prosperity. Thank you for being here.